Yes, this is the Integrated Science SBA project for grade 7, 2026. Let's go. They have two tasks. Task 1 is making a model of human skin, and task 2 is making a portfolio on the model of human skin. So let's start with task 1. This task is going to be done by learners in groups. So the teacher will group the learners in groups of 5 to 8, and then the teacher will offer some instructions or guide the learners in their groups, and the learners are advised to use locally available materials. So learners may share the information and the skills as they are making the model. Remember, this is collaboration and communication, and also we have learning to learn is enhanced here as a core competency. Then there is the group score. The group score will be awarded to each learner. So let's say, for example, group 4 scored 9 out of 10. That score at that step, it will be awarded to all the learners in that group. So Kamau will get 9 over 10, Jerry will get 9 over 10, Iwanjiro will get 9 over 10, Rosatima will get 9 over 10, everyone in that group. Okay? Yeah. Then we have task 2. Task 2 will be done by each individual learner, and it will be done by the learners. It is making the portfolio on the model of human skin. It will have the following. Number 1, cover page. Cover page will have the project title, the name of the school, and learner's name, and probably the date of submission. Then we have the introduction part. Learner will describe just little information about what the portfolio is about. Then we'll have the brief notes. Learner will make the brief notes on the project, and labeled diagram. So the learner will be required to do what? To draw a human skin and label it very well. Okay? Yeah. Then materials and the tools will also be indicated there, that the learner used this kind of material, this one, whatever. Although we were told they are going to use locally available materials. Okay? So the learner will indicate them there. Then you have the procedure. The learner will show the procedure, how he or she went about in their group. No problem. Then photographic evidence. This one can be done by taking a photo and then you attach it in your portfolio. Or you can also do a video and save it in a folder. Then we have the finished model description. The learner will describe how the finished model was and the functions of the parts, and then the challenges and solutions to the challenges. What the learner went through as they were doing their groups, and members did not team up, and so on. Then we have RCR. That is the reflection part, then conclusion, and the last one is reference, where the learner was getting on sourcing the information from. It is as simple as that. If they do in groups, it looks so hard, but it is very simple and they will see it enjoyable. Thank you.